Recently, I've noticed a big trend. People who make stuff are using bits from anime and AI voices. Anime shows are super popular worldwide and often have messages that make you think. This way of doing things works really well, but using anime without permission can get you in trouble. So, I'm wondering, can we use AI to make these clips instead? Turns out, you totally can. You can make anime-like videos that are just as good as the real thing, and you don't have to pay anything. These two YouTube channels have garnered high views in a short period. One of their videos has surpassed 1 million views, and there are numerous Instagram pages generating millions of views by uploading anime. Today, I will teach you how to create anime videos and use them in your content for free. However, this video will focus on creating short videos suitable for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's dive into the details. With this niche, you have the potential to achieve millions of views. The script is up to you. It could be a story, a motivational paragraph, or advice. If you watch this video until the end, I guarantee you will be inspired to start creating your own videos. We'll start by going to the ChatGPT website. When the website opens, we'll copy this prompt from the video description and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, we'll wait for it to finish writing the script. After that, we'll ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script in one paragraph without explaining the events. You can see that it has been rewritten in a clear paragraph. If you want a different paragraph, just ask for another example, and ChatGPT will provide one. Now, following the script, the next step is voiceover. We'll need to convert it into audio, so we'll head over to 11 Labs. Once there, an interface will appear. Simply click on Add Voice, then navigate to the voice library. Choose voices suitable for narration and storytelling. Then, switch the gender to male. Select the preferred sound and add it. The process involves clicking on Add Voice Lab, then ADD Voice, and finally, finish to return to the main interface. Next, select the voice we added earlier. Return to the ChatGPT site, paste our script, and click Generate. Wait a moment to download the audio. Should your script be concise?
Imagine your mind as a garden where diligent care yields flourishing growth. Just as a gardener tends to their plot, clearing away.
With a duration of less than a minute, you may revert to ChatGPT and request an extended rendition. Now, we'll head over to the Plab AI website. Here, you'll see the screen where you can use artificial intelligence to create videos. You'll need to copy and paste this prompt or describe the video you want. You can even ask ChatGPT for help with ideas. After that, change the number of frames from 24 to 12 to make the videos look more like anime. Increase the motion strength, then click the button to start making the video. To make lots of videos, just keep clicking here. Each time you click, you'll get more videos. Since these clips are only 3 seconds long, you'll need at least 20 of them to make a 1-minute video. Once you have enough videos, you can download them from this platform. Now, we need some exciting music, so let's head over to Pixabay. Look at the screen that pops up. Change the settings to find music, then search for a motivational song. You'll see a bunch of options. Pick one and download. Don't forget to copy and paste it into the video's description if you're posting it on YouTube. But if you're posting on TikTok, you don't need to do that. Now, we need an app called Capcut for editing. First, add all the stuff we just downloaded. Then, add the audio for the script. After that, put the music in the background. Make sure the music fits well with the script's timing, and lower its volume a bit so it doesn't drown out the narrator's voice. Finally, adjust the video size to 9:16. We sequentially incorporate the videos, allowing them to seamlessly blend or align them in accordance with the thematic essence of the script. The method of prompt composition dictates this variant. Following the organization of the videos, we proceed to individually attend to each, magnifying them to occupy the entire expanse of the screen. Here we'll make all the videos black and white. But first, look at them in their original colors. Start by picking all the videos, then make some changes. Set the saturation to 50, adjust the scale to 7, contrast to 4, and highlight to 1. This will make the first video stay in its colors, while the second will be black and white, ending each video. Let's add some cool effect. Go to the effects panel and choose retro. Pick black noise and put it on all the videos to make them look better. At this juncture, we shall introduce transition. Proceeding to the transition menu, we shall then select the camera options. Subsequently, we will implement left and right transitions across all video segments. Employing the left transition will prompt the subsequent addition of the right transition, and so forth, until completion. Now, let us proceed to include captions. Click on the text option, followed by selecting automatic captions in English. Finally, initiate the creation process and await its completion. Alright, let's start by putting words on the video. This makes it better for people watching. It also makes the video longer so people watch more. Next, we'll add a picture to make the video nicer. The picture also helps to show what's happening. Sometimes, it makes people look at certain parts of the video. After we put the picture, we'll copy it and put it at the beginning of the video too. This helps to keep things the same and makes the video look good. We'll then choose different styles for the words on the video. We can change how the words look, like the font or adding light around them. This makes the words more interesting for people watching. Before we finish, we need to check if the video is good and if people like it. Then we can share it with others. Finally, we say goodbye and wait for the next video. Goodbye for now.
Imagine your mind as a garden where diligent care yields flourishing growth. Just as a gardener tends to their plot, clearing away weeds and nurturing blossoming flowers, you must cultivate your thoughts. Weed out negativity. Plant seeds of positivity and water them with actions. Regardless of external storms, your garden thrives with daily attention. Remember, a well-tended mind, like a well-tended garden, blossoms beautifully.